Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to build the 180 degree movable platform with a tube post from the Elements of Pop-Up. Okay, this is it. This is the pop-up right here. And notice this one moves. So you can move this back and forth. All right. This is the downloaded pattern that I downloaded from popupbooks.com under the die lines category. We're starting off by building the tube post. Okay, this is the tube post. This will be the center strut, basically. A little bit of glue here. Oops. Glue that in place. Hold it down 30 seconds or so. Put some weight on that if you would like to. The next piece I'm going to put together is one of the supports, one of the straps, and I'm going to place this in the slot here. This is we haven't done this type of positioning yet, so you'll see something new here. All right, so glue that tab into the slot, and you'll notice everything, all the folds are parallel. This is a parallel fold piece. Okay, so now that we have the tube posts glued together, what I'm going to do is, and I'm going to visually place this piece. I'm trying to place it pretty much in the center, and I want this to be basically in the same place as this piece, which is going to slot in here. So you can use that slot as a guide. Another way we sometimes find close to equal positioning is to use a pair of dividers. It's not 100% accurate, but if I measure that and that, well, you can see I'm a little bit off there. So I'm going to slide it up this way just a hair. It doesn't have to be exactly in the right place, but it helps to have it close. I'm going to show you another little important piece here too. So with glue in place here, one of the things I want to do is I want to make sure that this fold is pretty much exactly on the fold of the platform. And one way to do that is to make sure that when the tube post is glued on right in here, that just a little bit of paper is that side of the fold, so that this fold on the tube post is as close as possible to being on the same fold as the platform. You see how those are lined up there? That's a little bit important. It's not critical, just helpful to get that in place. Okay, so that's good. That's good in position right there. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is insert this other support, and you'll see that this is a wing tab. All right, so we're going to insert that from the top, fold it, insert it like this. And the thing about the wing tabs is when they go into a slot here, the movement in the slot is very free. There's very little resistance here, so that's an important thing to understand. Okay, so now that we have the center tube post glued in place, second support, which is a wing tab, glued in place, what I'm going to do is take that tube post and glue it to the center fold of the base page. Once again, it's important to try to get this fold directly on this fold. Okay, so, and I'm using this position right here as a guide because I'm visually placing this on the base page. It doesn't have to be exactly there, but as close as possible. So there I have my center fold lined up. All right, glue that in place. Oh, I did something wrong here. There we go. I need to flip it around. Because I had this support on the same side as this support, which is not correct. So, okay, there we go. Let that glue right there dry so it doesn't hang up. Once again, what we have is this center score lined up with the center score or of the base page. Let that glue in place. There we go. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is fold this tab in like this, put some glue on this, and close it and let this glue tab find its own position on the platform. There you go. So that's almost fully assembled. There's one more glue point that we're going to glue here. Let that get in place there. Get that glue to get a fiber bond going. Pressure, pressure. All right. So now we're going to glue the last piece in place. This is the wing tab support. And one of the things that we have to do here is, see how the wing tab can move in the slot there? So you have to be careful to make sure that, once again, this fold right here is parallel to the center fold. Okay, and you can fold this tab this direction or leave it that direction. I'm going to leave it just like this. This way it will fold in towards the gutter or the center fold on the base page. All right, now we're going to close again. Let the glue tabs find their own position. Let's see what we have here. Hold it down for 30 seconds or so, get some good pressure on that. And there we go. Once again, I like to put pressure in different directions, move it back and forth. So this is a platform which is parallel to the base page, okay? And it's movable. There you go. The 180-degree movable platform with a tube post.